Okay. Let's see if I can even do this correctly, because Jesus. Where can I even put this? Maybe right here. Maybe my phone won't crash. Let's see. Is that even like roughly right area? Hold on. It's just to see me in process. Okay. So I'm here at the Phoenix Firebird International Raceway. It's day one. I believe this is the second event that the NHRA, National Hot Rod Association, does for their season, I guess, so to speak. I believe last weekend or the weekend before they were in Pomona, and today they are here in Phoenix, Arizona. And we did get to the track. We have full media, VIP, backstage, everything passes, and it's going to be really awesome, except for we're currently experiencing apparently a fucking death storm. I don't mean to seem ignorant, but we don't have this in California. We have earthquakes like every 150 years or something. I'm exaggerating. But this is pretty crazy. It's pretty intense. We pulled onto one of the streets, just making a left-hand turn, and I looked up, and you couldn't see a single thing. It was I just screamed, "Oh my God!" And I didn't even mean to. It was just my natural reaction. So it's pretty intense. So is my hair, huh? That's some hot shit. I'm here with Charlie Biggs. He actually just got out of the car to look for his friend. And one of his comments before he got out was, "Takes a lot to be Nikki Sett." I'm like, that bitch is so high maintenance. So I'm teasing my hair up. Today my inspiration is Brett Michaels from Poison back in the 80s. I'm almost there, Brett. I've almost got my hair as high. So yeah, just sitting in the car, teasing my hair, and in the middle of a complete dust storm. I will send you footage of it in just a minute. Don't say anything because I'm on Ustream. That's one of our BTS guys. He's actually with... Oh wait, you can say hi! Because I've been plugging your website. Dun, da, da, da.
I don't know what's going on right now.
You're being...
I'm Skyping?
No, you're being Ustream Live.
Oh, okay.
And you are with...
BoyToysHD.com.
Yay! And you're learning how to use...
I'm learning how to use Twitter. Yeah.
That's why
I'm being taught by a large-breasted blonde, which has its advantages and disadvantages.
Sex sells. Large breasts will always get you more followers. So, oh wait, let's see the logo. Hold on, let me see if I can get them in the same shot. I can't, but let's read it. Yeah. It's hard upside down and backwards. Okay, so Boy Toys HD.com. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Oh, what are
the website?
Oh yeah, go to the website. And what are we doing right now?
Well, right now we're waiting for the wind to die down.
You look like you're a crossing guard.
I look. Thanks.
Can I get a quick model?
Yeah.
Just a quick one.
You want it?
Orange is my favorite color. Can you hold up a red stop sign? And with a whistle.
Somebody's funny. Yeah, I got a stand-up comedian in here. All right.
And but what are we doing again, really?
Well, right now we're waiting for the wind to die down so that we can see some top-fueled dragsters tear ass up the track. It's gonna be cool.
It will be once we get in there. But yes, even when we drove in, it was. I just heard a couple loud engines.
Yeah,
and
it's loud.
It makes your panties
cool,
wet.
It's fast, and there's nothing better.
So rock on.
My wee-wee is vibrating.
Oh, is it? No. I'm so excited.
Oh.
It's a bullet. It has a remote. Okay, anyway, so BoyToysHD.com, and hopefully we'll bring you some better footage from it within the grounds. with some hot, heavy duty fucking cars. So, see you later.